Hello. Well, it's Sunday. I didn't work on the house at all yesterday. Just did other things. Check out this jacket. We found this in a dumpster. We went and bought lumber from somebody, and he had a big dumpster of stuff, and he had this sick Carhartt jacket in there. I just looked this thing up. It's from 1981. I'm from 1981. So, just seems fitting. So, my Amish guy, Rudy, he didn't get the wood planed. In the first week that I gave it to him, he had a funeral that he had to go to, and those things take so long for them when they have to go all the way to Pennsylvania or something like that. So he was gone most of the week. So he said that he'll get it done next week, but I was like, that's fine, Rudy. I'm not in a rush because I've got other things I can work on. And so as you know, like the pantry here, the ceiling is in. Can you see the ceiling? I think you can. Yeah, the ceiling's in. That means I can do the walls for the pantry. And that's what I'm going to start working on. What we've decided, instead of buying anything, because you shouldn't if you don't have to, we have a whole bunch of the bleacher material still. And that's yellow pine. It's really wide. We are going to be working with it though. I'm gonna have to joint it. I'm going to lap it so it can go on kind of like shiplap. And I might even plane it, because I'm not sure if I want to have the bleachery, it's just so many coats of polyurethane that I just don't know if you can just paint that. If Sarah thinks that she can get a good enough paint to just paint over top of the polyurethane, we'll leave it. But we are going to have to peg the holes. I'm not super excited about that, but Sarah's like, it's not that difficult. She doesn't even mind doing stuff like that. So I was like, okay, so we'll just line this whole pantry with that bleacher material for the walls. And I like that idea. Mostly because I have it and it's going to just cost me a little bit of time, a little bit of work, but that's good. It's nice out and we're just going to work a little bit on the lumber. I wanted to give everybody an update to my health because I obviously let you all know that something was going on, and we have kind of come to the conclusion, and this is a good thing, that I don't have anything necessarily physically wrong with me, but I am dealing with, I guess the best way to say it and the only way to say it would be some mental health issues. And I've got a great circle of friends and doctors in place, and I am getting the help that I do think I need. And it's not an easy thing for me to talk about, and this is all just really new to me. But all of your thoughts, your prayers, your well wishes, they're helping tremendously. But I probably won't talk about this a ton because I don't even feel like I know what I'm talking about. And other people deal with stuff, and I don't know how helpful that would be. The important thing to point out is that I am doing better. I feel like I just feel like I'm improving a little bit every day.
I can't sleep again tonight. Maybe it's the dark or it's the light. I've been angry with God for not giving me what I want. All my feet are haunting me. Mind is wide, while you're trying to sleep, and I can't feel 'em. So pour another one. Let's keep this heavy till we see the sun. I'm always on, and I don't know how. No, I don't know how to shut
This
up.
is for real.
Whoa!
Right?
Yeah.
Like that's gonna...
I was thinking like I'd have to pre-paint the crack because like upstairs with the other stuff.
No, this is...
Oh my gosh.
I hold my pride just like a what I was. No, my fears are haunting me. Mind is wide. Why you sound asleep, and I can't feel 'em. So for another one, let's keep this heavy till we see the sun. And I'm always on, and I don't know how. No, I don't know how to shut off. My fears are haunting me. Mind is wide. Why you sound asleep, and I can't feel 'em. So for another one, let's keep this heavy till we see the sun. I'm always on, and I don't know how. No, I don't know how to shut off.
Some of these have a bull nose on them because they were, for sitting on and walking up.
Those are two good examples.
So we got
Look at the gum.
Lots of gum from the bleachers. A few swear words here and there.
Yeah, I haven't seen those in a little while. It's a lot of sawdust. You make a lot of chips with that blade. That wasn't too bad. 15 minutes maybe. Whoa, that's really full in there. Yeah, that's a lot of sawdust. Like 8 inches, and I'm gonna have 8 and an eighth. What did I say? 8 and an eighth. Whoa. Well, I'll be darned. We like to leave the signs that it was in fact bleachers, so we're gonna leave that. We'll paint around it. I know it may be weird for some people, but I like it.
Some years ain't got much to show. Spend most of my matches back against the ropes. There's a crowd looking on. What do you wanna see? Been throwing fights my whole life for the right fee. I need the win one. Get me back on my feet. A strong footing to give my punches some heat. Instead of all this shadow boxing. Nothing comes easy, and if it does, it comes cheap. Like a bottom shelf bird, and all the lies that I tell through my teeth. There's a fire in my eyes, and I wanna watch it burn. Kill the man that I was, just send the ashes to the urn. I need the wind one. back on my feet. A strong footing to get my punches some weight. I need the wind one, get me back on my feet. A strong footing to get my punches some heat. I need the wind one, get me back on my feet. A strong footing, get my punches some heat. Instead of all this shadow boxing.
Some inconsistencies here that I'm not fond of, but that's why they make trim, I suppose.
I had a vision of that smashing the window.
Smacking the window?
Yeah, I was like, ah, yeah.
Where's that multi-tool? Out over here before I wall it. Window's still done.
Perfect.
Done. Where's my nailer? Look at all this nice ash. This nice white ash over here. You see it? Yeah, so Rudy planed all this for me. It's at 3/4 of an inch. And when we were talking to him, watching him do it, it's horrible. It's just hard work, heavy, nasty, outside work. And I was like, Rudy, how much is that going to be? And he's like, oh, I charge about 5 cents a board foot. So he goes, about $40. I was like, Rudy, $40. Sarah and I, we already made up our minds that we were going to give him 200 because I knew he wasn't going to charge anything close to 200. I thought it was going to be like maybe 100. So we gave him 200. But now we do have a lot of work to do with this. We have to joint it on the jointer. And then I probably do need to run it through the table saw, but I'm hoping I can get away with not doing that. And then we want to put a sheplap on it. So that's going to be some work. It's the only problem with using those bleachers. But you probably won't even know the holes are there once you're done.
Just overfill.
Mm-hmm. And then we'll sand and, I don't know. I think those are going to be some pretty solid walls.
Yeah, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
You can hang whatever you want,
Wherever, whenever, yep.
Pull-up bar.
Yep.
Put it right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a great spot for it.
Climbing wall.
Yeah. Anything you want. But on a serious note, we're going to be putting a lot of shelves up. And we really just wanted something basically cheap, I guess bulletproof. Like literally. Yeah, so we'll be doing the ceiling soon. That's really going to change it in here a lot. I have to move everything before I can do anything. Like constantly. I mean, it's packed, but this is the thing. It's like you just have so much stuff that you kind of need. I don't need the kiln up here right now, but I probably should bring that downstairs. It's like, what is it doing right in my way? I probably don't need the inner tube either, but that's a different story. It has begun. We're all set up here. Sharpened my blades for the planer. Got that all hooked up. Dust collection's hooked up. what we need to do is joint and plane the ash just a little tiny bit each, every single piece. 800 board foot. It will get done pretty quick though. And we're gonna put you on stop motion, whatever it's called. We'll do it right here. This is a perfect time to talk about stuff like this at the end of a video because I know who's here and I know who's still watching. And you could be worried about me, and I just would say don't be. I really do have friends, family, and doctors all in place here. I feel like I'm getting the help that I really truly need. But this is also important to point out that a lot of people could be dealing with this and probably are dealing with, whether it be anxiety, depression, any of those things. And I think it's really important that you voice it to somebody. If you keep it inside, well, I just know from experience that's not what you want to do. So talk to people, and you'll find the people that love you, you'll find the people that will support you, and you will find the help that you need. And I guess I feel it's necessary for me to tell the ones that I care about that message. So please just let it be an example to not stay quiet and to seek the help you need.